I had a conversation with the collective of women, and I am appalled at what I heard in that conversation. When I talked about serving your partner, the majority of them snapped at me completely. We not slaves. We ain't slaves. Misogynistic, patriarchy, yeah. And so I asked them, do you want to get married? Yeah.
Pam, pam, pam. Yeah, well, I don't know, share One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. Make sure you sound like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Yeah, man. So, but you sound like the video I'm doing there. I understand modern women not wanting to contribute at all. Them feel like man supposed to front the bill and do everything, pay all, feed them bills and pay our bill and them something there. And I am with the opposition. I ain't finna do all of that. What it look like? ATM, you not work. Eh? You know, but work, go look at work. But anyway, yo, here I know we're gonna do a part 2 because all the people that say they want to see part 2. So we're gonna dive in it. And this part is about submission. You understand what I say? We're dealing with submission right now. We see a whole heap of women not wanting to contribute to them household. And we see a lot of women not wanting to submit to them partner. You understand what I say? And I always wondered, why? Why these women want men to do everything and don't want to do nothing? So we're going to dive in it and see if that sister here, this beautiful black sister, we're going to see if she can help you right now. You understand what I say? Let's go dive into the video right quick.
I had a conversation with the collective of women, and I am appalled at what I heard in that conversation. When I talked about serving your partner, the majority of them snapped at me completely. We not slaves. We ain't slaves. Misogynistic, patriarchy, yeah. And so I asked them, do you want to get married? Yeah.
I had the same look. Like, you want to get married, but you don't want to submit. Like, how would that even work? You understand what I say? It's like me I play football, I don't even want to kick the ball. I just want the ball going at the goal. It's not going to work, so I got to put effort into making the ball go into the goal. So you wanting to be married, but you're not going to submit. That's you putting no effort. No effort into anything. The man benefit in no way, shape, or form messing with a woman like you. Because when they hear submission, the first thing flapping in their head, slavery, slavery, who the hell? Make you look upon submission like that. Because uno want man submit to uno every desires, to uno every whims, uno want man to submit and crawl and gravel at uno feet. Not all, some. And me as a man, me go submit to my woman. Me go submit to my woman. Only if I see where she's going to or submit to me. No, let me tell you this. I'm not one to watch and say, you know what, me not submit to that girl and until she submit to me, you know. Me going at it, 100. When me say the things not reciprocate, me go say, man, pull back. I pull back. Because when me I put out, me not get back. And that's a madness. Let's go continue real quick right there so I'll see what that sister here say.
You want to get married and you don't know that you have to serve your partner? What does serving your partner mean to you? That's slavery. That's all that submission. I kid you all, I can't make this up. My mind is blown right now. I just sat there and said, if you get out of this mindset that you're in complete subservience to a subordinate capacity, then you will understand what serving your partner is. I'm not talking about serving someone who controls you or serving someone or yielding to their will of dominance. I'm not talking about that. I said when you make a cup of coffee for your partner, when you clean up, if you buy your partner a gift, if you go and get something, a smaller gift that you know your partner enjoys or their favorite meal along the way, you're still serving your partner.
Let's pause that real quick. Go pause that. Even those little simple things means you're serving your partner. Your girl, she really likes Kit Kat bars. Before you come home, you buy her some Kit Kat bars. You're serving your woman. Your woman gets up in the morning to make some tea and some coffee. She makes you a cup of coffee. That's her serving her husband. I don't understand where these dumb men and women come from. And I blame social media. I know exactly where them come from. They were birthed by social media. Social media are them social teacher. Because they have been socializing online. Them don't even know if we socialize in the earth. You have enough of them youth will never look a girl in public. But see me on social media, hey man, hey girl, dig out your hole and deal with the thing wicked. But in a public, in a block like, oh no, I'm shy and afraid. Social media grown up. I wanna grow up to turn some big fool. You think submission means slavery? Are you an idiot? More of my girls submit to me. Come and submit to my girl. You understand what I say? Booby, you want a back rub? Rub her back. She had a rough day at work. Rub all her foot. That's submission. I'm hungry. She said, babes, you hungry? You want to eat? You know, babes, you know something feel like some steam snapper and she could go to a woman and go to farmer's market and buy the fish. That's submission. It's not slavery. It's showing acts of kindness towards somebody who you love. That's how it works. Them look blood clot, ticky biggie, that blood clot girl and man, I come to, oh, no, do not a slavery. No, it's going to be slavery if you're doing it for somebody who don't reciprocate, who don't pour the same energy in you like what you are pouring on them. And you accepting that behavior shows that you stupid. So don't come around and come complain about, oh, me not submit because of slavery. No, you don't want to submit because you're an idiot. Go continue the video.
You're still serving an emotional need. That's what you're still doing that. And it's vice versa. If your partner helps you out in anything, even when you want to talk about something that your partner doesn't want to talk about after a long day, and they sacrifice their time and they stop what they're doing to listen, they're still serving you. There's no way in the same sentence you can tell me you want love and you want marriage, but you don't understand that you're still going to have to serve your partner for the rest of your days. You can't serve the person that you're dating. You're doing all of this stuff for them, all of these acts of service for them to bring them in, to make them consider marrying you. And then when they marry you, it turns off because of...
Well, I'm going to pause that right there real quick. A lot of you guys are turned off from submission because you've submitted to the wrong person. Don't take that out upon the world. And we have a saying in Jamaica. Well, I'm more say Jamaican, I watch this anyway. Don't use your fat, don't use other people fat and fry me. Meaning, don't treat me based on how somebody else treated you. Don't come here and put your bad feelings and bad vibes towards me based on how somebody else treat you. I didn't have nothing to do with that. And to be honest with you, that's quite selfish and that's quite, it's unfair. It's unfair. When them girl like yours, them want man submit to them, because them want man buy them this, them want man give them that, them want man do this for them. So them want man submit, Them want man do husband things for them, while them I do the bare minimum. Because them I say, oh, me not do no wife things for him. After me not married, but you want a man pay bills and get their nails done and get all of them something done. I like that girl. I like that girl. Like, I'll play her back. I'm just like, oh, she just pretty, she just sensible. Oh my God.
Has conditioned you to believing that that's slavery. You heard the word serve and submit and you think it's slavery. Not understanding that it's not gender specific. You both submit and serve one another. You submit to each other and you serve one another. It would have been easier if they would have just asked me how, but the simple fact that they started off with, I'm not a slave. And I just had to say, you all are selfish. You all are selfish. And they wouldn't worry about me if it was the end of the day. Oh my gosh.
I'm glad she said that. I'm glad she said that. Because if I was the first to say, you don't say a lot of women are selfish. Oh, you hate women. Oh, misogyny. Oh, sexism. Oh, you're this, you're that. I'm just glad another woman said it. A lot of you guys are selfish. A lot of you guys don't give a fuck about somebody else. You're not just care about me, and what I want and what I will want, what I want to get. Man gotta work all day, you the home. Man come home, can't even get a dinner. Oh, yeah, stress me all the time. I watch your kids all day. Oh, hey. I'm going to tell you this. I'm telling you this right now. No for one attack as woman. I'll tell you this right now. Kids, easy work that. That's easy work. That is easy work. You go and cut somebody blood clot line in 100-degree blood clot weather. You look at do some roofing in 100-degree weather and come tell me which work harder. If taking care of babies or going out and doing manual labor where you can blood clot lose your life. Tell me which one is the hardest. I want to put down on the role as a woman what does I say? Not for only lazy and don't want not no selfish. It's crazy. It's unbelievable at this point. And I tell young youths them once again. If you want to find a nice booby, take care of her. Treat her with nothing below kindness, love, affection. Give her all of the feel-good emotions, my bro. Because them rare. You understand what I say? The good woman them rare. A way more woman they road than man, you know. But you see, the good woman them rare. When you find her bad, bro, you take care of her. You understand what I say? Well, I don't know, say one nation and I'm our nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Up move! If you smell, I drop my